In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history on SHEIN. If you're wondering where your package is, need to confirm what you bought, or want to start a return, everything you need lives in one place inside the app, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening the SHEIN app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so your purchases appear under your profile. Once the app loads, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Me on the far right. This takes you to your profile hub, where all your personal settings and shopping activity are organized. From here, select My Orders. This is your order history dashboard. At the top, you'll see your orders grouped into helpful categories. Unpaid shows checkouts that haven't been paid for yet. These won't ship until payment is completed. Processing includes orders that have been confirmed and are being prepared or packed. Shipped means your package has left the warehouse and is on its way. Returns gathers any orders you've sent back or are in the process of returning. Completed lists orders that have been delivered and finished. Now, tap any order to open its details. This screen is where you can track your shipment in real time. You'll see carrier updates as your package moves through each stage, and if you need it, you can view the tracking number to use on the carrier's website. You can also review everything you purchased in that order: items, sizes, colors, prices, discounts, and delivery address. So it's easy to double check what's included. If something isn't right or you changed your mind, you can request a return or a refund from this page, following the prompts shown by the app. Keep an eye on any return window or eligibility messages displayed here, as those details vary by item and timing. A quick tip: if tracking looks delayed or you don't see the latest update, try pulling down on the page to refresh. Carrier scans can take a little time to appear. Another tip: if you shop often, using these tabs helps you focus quickly. Processing and shipped are great for deliveries you're currently expecting, while completed is useful when you need past order info for reordering or warranty claims. That's it. Open the SHEIN app, head to Me, tap My Orders, browse the status categories, and open any order to track, review details, find the tracking number, or start a return or refund. Simple, clear, and all in one place.